was it a callback? You miss me? Welcome back, my heroes. The problematic yellow. It's Bull Heroes.
Niggas started fucking up again.
You see?
Every week those things drop.
You see?
But now, every day.
So now what's
Today I
going
did
on?
this Monday. I did it 2 hours later.
Oh, it's the air pressure.
Yeah, so the air switch keep going off. That's it. It works for like a week. Can't see it go into safety if it doesn't start. Why won't the boiler start? Lose connections and doesn't seem anything crazy. Everything's alright. I gotta, dig in. I gotta start messing with it to see if something happens. Taking power.